Everyone and welcome back. So today we are going to unbox the 1/43 scale diecast model of the Tata Xenon XT, and it is an official merchandise by Tata and made by Norev, and this model is really nice in terms of interior and exterior detailing, and the quality of the model is not really great because this model has some paint issues on it. And if you are interested in buying this model, then do check the model before buying it. And I have bought this model from an Instagram page called Diecaster Praful, so if you want to buy it you can contact him. And if you have yet not followed me on Instagram, then do follow me on Instagram on _rpm_redlines for daily updates. And let's get started. So hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, then like this video and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye bye. Take care.